What's going on, man? What you doing?
I guess there's some train tracks over there. I got a lovely model in the car, Bree. But she's in there keeping warm, so we're gonna go check this out over here. You're getting really close.
Yeah.
We're gonna go there and check it out, and then go scope it out and get our little setup going. We got some lights over here, lights on the ground. We got our EOSR 28 to 70, and we got Baz over there.
I think he needs to use the bathroom.
Oh yeah, he's trying to find a bathroom.
Let's go meet the model. What you got going on in here? All right, y'all, we're gonna go scope out the spot. Tell the peoples what's going on in your head right now.
I like dramatic. Shooting HSS and getting cinematic look, get the background blurred out, but creating a very moody set. I'm not a very tech guy, so there's probably a lot of verbiage in there, but I was probably like, what the hell is he talking about? I usually get to a spot, I get my setup going, get my composition, and then I start playing with the light. There really is no set thing that happens in my head. If I like it, it looks good, show the model, she likes it, good vibes.
All right, y'all, so we are obviously walking out towards the train track area. You probably hear it right now.
Oh.
It is cold, it's a little bit chilly. I think it's like minus 27 degrees. I might be exaggerating. Oh, hey, let me show you what we got. What's going on, man? What you doing?
What's going on, guys? Just getting ready to take some photos, man. Excited.
Yeah.
How's everyone out there?
Good, good. Tell us who you are.
My name's Lucas Seisel. I have a business named NP Photography. I'm local here in Columbus, Ohio, in Central Ohio. I do portrait photography and have a great opportunity to work here with Brett Seeley, so I'm super excited about that. Looks like we got beautiful models and a great location, so
Awesome.
Looking forward to it.
What'd you say, man?
She's flexible, right?
She is.
So I'm thinking her on the ladder. One leg down, splits, basically. Yeah. Ooh, this is nice. Exactly inside here.
Yeah.
Where it stands. I like it.
Like it.
She's not afraid of heights and she thinks she's got good footing. I don't know if you mentioned, obviously this side of the structure, or front of it's ribbed. So she could have a foot here and a foot there. And she could be in here doing something on those lines. Because she's a little bit shorter, so this might be more of a spread for her than it would be for us.
You got your shots.
Well, on top of the train would be pretty cool.
Yeah. That's the risk, that's the most you get out of it.
Pose, Nate. Pop the booty.
No.
That's right.
I gave you the good shit yesterday.
No, pop
Hey,
it.
arch
Pop
that
it.
back, man.
There we go. Bam.
That looked good.
No.
Well, I've never done a photo challenge before.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
So
You get the choice.
Well, I guess who gets to go first then? Yeah.
Baz, is Baz doing photo?
You're doing video.
Okay. I'll go first.
Right on, man.
They have 90 seconds to get one
Okay.
dope shot.
All right, I like it. That'll, I won't have to be out in the, it's actually really nice right here. The
It's not
sun,
bad.
It's not bad.
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad. Okay, I just took a behind the scenes video.
All right, y'all. Well, they get set up. I'm gonna get the clock ready because we're gonna do the challenge, and the challenge is 90 seconds. 90 seconds to get this shot. All right, y'all. We're gonna give him one test shot, and then model's gonna get ready. Clock starts.
All right. Start changing up. Go through that hair, just like that. No camera. No, don't look in the camera on this one. Just get into yourself right there. Take that other hand on that wall. Go down the side. Get that hair crazy. Get crazy. Look down that way. There you go. Perfect. Just like that. Nice. Nice. Lean into that wall. Kind of like this one over here. Over here. Lean into it. There you go. Just like that. Tilt the head back. There you go. Nice. Beautiful. Look at me. Very cute look. Nice. Love it. Just like that. Go down like this. Yes.
Can I get the wrinkles in my...
That's perfect. Nice. I love that. Beautiful. Perfect. Awesome. How much time I got left?
33 seconds.
Nice. Okay. Let's do perfect. Yep, like that. Your back towards me. Lights to the left, so look to your left. Scoot this way. Very center. I want you to look over this way. Perfect. Nice. Put one hand on your thigh. There we go. More arch, more arch. Come down. There you go. Nice. Look right at me. Perfect. Last shot, right here in the middle. Hands by the cheeks. Don't push on them.
Time up. Cheater, 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 cheater.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir.
Boom.
How'd that go?
Good. I was gonna give him a fist bump.
Oh, you got left. Fist bump.
Boom.
Yes.
All right, how'd it feel?
Good.
Feel good about that set?
Challenge, yeah.
Sick. Nice.
Really good.
Nice.
Up top in the train or no?
Anything on this area right here?
This area right here?
Yeah.
Are we allowed to scoot back in between, or does it need to be this spot?
Oh, there's a space between there, yeah.
In between here?
I like it.
Would you be comfortable with heading back here? In between?
We're at 9 talking shit in the truck.
Uh-oh.
Good.
Uh-oh. Man, he got up here.
What?
She got up here easier than I
Talking
can.
shit because you gave that guy the yellow.
In here.
Oh, watch your head.
Watch your head.
I think I got that.
Did you?
Always on the knees, man.
You're doing good, man. Hey, you're 31. You got this.
Oh, you see plumber crack.
Have your arm about yay high. That'd be probably good, because I might have you drop low with it too.
Okay.
Yeah. So. Hey.
This perspective going towards you, let me throw you the image. Looks really good.
We got lines.
I like it. Go.
You going low?
Awesome. All right, so go ahead and come down in here. Perfect. Just like that. Give me a serious. That's excellent. Hold that for me. And sure we are cleaning up. Perfect. Back up just a bit. Excellent. Hold that. Throw your hair, put your hair down and whip it up real hard. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Awesome. That's excellent. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Looks excellent. Pop up for me. Perfect. I'm gonna give you this. That's all. I'm gonna have you this. Stay right here.
Oh, dang, he's using props, y'all.
Just go ahead and take your hand, put it through your hair, and I'm gonna have you act like you're marking right through here. Perfect.
Dang.
Awesome.
Look at him. He's got
Hold that for
vision.
me right there. Hold that.
Dude, get me on camera right here.
Right,
Look
can
at
you-
this job I got. Look at this
Here,
job
here,
I got.
Here, here. Perfect.
I got
Can you
the
give me a
light,
look?
the
Excellent.
video,
That's perfect.
smelling his hair.
Can you switch onto the spray paint real quick here and give me like a like you're just being like, don't tell him spray painting?
Multitasking.
Awesome. One more. Awesome. Perfect. All right.
And
go
the
ahead.
video looks dope. Dude, I'm tired. So tired. Get him on there. Get him on there. Yeah. That's the dude that ain't doing anything. He just making fun.
I'm squatting,
I need
man.
my flash, y'all.
12 seconds, 12 seconds.
Trying to figure out where the world's
9 seconds.
That's perfect.
Tell you what, let's get
5 seconds.
cinematic with this
Turn around
shit.
for me real
Go
quick.
around his head.
Good. Drop down low.
Right there.
1
Around.
second.
Drop down low and turn down low.
Yeah.
Last shot, last shot. Boom.
Dude,
Cameras off, cameras
do
off.
this for 20 more seconds.
Okay, thank you so much.
Oh,
I appreciate
shit.
you.
Dude.
Okay, I'm
Alright.
coming back
Take-
through.
That was a lot of fun. Although, oh no, look. Where's my flash on some of these?
No,
Uh-oh.
dude, those look fire.
On that one, you were straight up in the air. You were shining on the heavens,
Look
man.
at my job. No problem.
All right, y'all. So these two young men did a really good job. But now I'm going to pull a little bit of a wild card. I'm going to have her change clothes. We're going to do something that she's going to showcase her flexibility. I really didn't tell the guys that that was part of the deal. So I'm kind of cheating. That's all. Man, don't be doing that. No, but yeah, it's kind of... No, it's not really cheating. No, because my man here had some props. He's some spray cans.
Absolutely. Naturals around the area, man. Goes here.
That was actually pretty dope.
That was dope.
Nate, I thought Nate's shot was pretty cool. Now I'm gonna take Nate's idea and take it up a little bit. Let's see how it goes.
Hey, for real though, it was my idea first. My idea first.
Okay. I'm excited for this.
Let's turn that one facing her.
Oh, so you need height.
Yeah. We'll do one where you're looking back, where you're looking behind you, and then one looking back at me. Good. Look straight behind. Is that perfect? Now bring the face back to me. Love it, like that. Hold it. Good. One more. Breathe. These guys did amazing. The model, she was all right. I was gonna talk smack about her, but she's not even listening. The lesson for today is get out and shoot. Get out and collaborate. If there's some people that you have not worked with before, try to reach out. Try to be friends with them. Go help them. Try to go be a grip or something. You know, it's one of those things where photography is cool. It's fun. You can do a lot of things. You can make money with it too. But you can't do anything if you don't go out and try to network. So go out, say hello to people. Big shout out to my man right here for bringing us to this amazing location.
Thanks for having me out here.
And big shout out to these creative people as well If you learned something, please consider subscribing. Click on that notification bell so you get updates every time we post new content, which is about once every week. Please check out all of their social media accounts and make sure you keep shooting. We'll see you in the next video. How'd it go?
Awesome. This is such a cool location, and I could shoot here for hours. I could be here for hours. This is so cool.
Any tips for creative people?
Be creative.